Too many people are still sleeping on Amazon affiliate programs, and I don't like that. So in today's video, I'm going to break down 2 different programs that you can join literally this week and start making money literally this week. All right. So before we jump into it, my name is Monique D. I worked in radio and television for over 10 years. iHeartMedia, Clear Channel to be exact, as well as other big brands, small brands, influencers, celebrities, NFL players, all the things. So throughout my journey in radio and television and just online networks and stuff, I have learned a lot with web design, marketing, voiceover, all the things. And now I take everything that I know and I pour it into this channel, into people that I know, my mentees and all that stuff. So if this is the type of content you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe because we love a good free gem. All right. So let's jump right into it. So before we get into the different programs, let me break down what affiliate marketing is. Pretty much it is you offering products or you referring products to people with your link and getting a commission off of it. I know some people are like, oh, I don't like commission-based stuff, whatever. You were going to refer that product for free anyway. So why not drop your link? All right. So let's go ahead and break down the first one. So Amazon Associates Program. That's pretty much where if you have a website, a blog, an email list, just social media in general, this is a good place to start. If you're a newbie and you're not really trying to put yourself out there that much, but you can still get commissions here and there. How this works is basically Amazon gives you a custom affiliate link and you just share it out. So if you are talking about a certain product and you link that product with your custom link, you get a commission. Now, what Amazon does do is they want to make sure that you're serious and that, you know, you got a little leverage. You got to kind of work for it just a little bit, but Amazon does give you 180 days to make 3 qualifying sales. Now that's super, super easy. All right. And I can break that down in a different video, not today, but it's super, super easy to get those 3 qualifying sales. They give you 180 days, but you can literally knock that out in a week. There's no reason why you can't get 3 sales in 1 week. All right. Especially if you're referring stuff that people are going to buy anyway, right? All you literally do is sign up for the affiliate program, get your custom affiliate link to share the product out, share those links on your YouTube, your Pinterest, your TikTok, your blog, whatever it may be, your email list. Somebody clicks on that link and they purchase and then you get your commission. Very, very simple. All right. People are going to purchase anyway. You're not selling your own products. You don't have to package anything. Literally, you're just referring products that people need anyway. All right. So that is the Amazon Associates Program. Now, number 2 is Amazon Influencer Program. And this program is a little bit more detailed. It's pretty much I like to call it the Amazon Associates Program on steroids. So this is pretty much where you get kind of like a level up and you get more into the content creation of it all. So this is really good for content creators who are ready to step into content creation in general or want to advance their content creation journey. So what I love about the Amazon Influencer Program is that you get your own storefront and you can literally customize it and make it more you. Like it's more of a you vibe. You know what I mean? Like you can create idea lists, you can do all these different things. And if you also take a couple additional steps, you can also qualify for on-site commissions where your videos will be posted on Amazon. And I love this because this is great for my girlies and my guys who don't want their face on their social media, but they want to put themselves out there, but just not that much yet. So this is really good for people who are trying to put themselves out there and get started on their content creation journey, but they don't want to be seen on their own personal. It's kind of like UGC in a sense. That's the way I look at it. It's like a great way to get into UGC kind of because essentially you're doing these product reviews and they're not going on your page. And that's how UGC creators get paid. They don't get paid to post on their page. They get paid to post on other people's pages. So you kind of look at it like that in a sense. All right. Now, I will say that this takes a few more steps, right? So you do have to apply for the influencer program. And with this, they go over your social media and they kind of check a couple other things. But I promise you it's a smooth process if you know what you're doing. All right. I actually have a freebie linked in my description if you guys are interested in getting that. I would recommend getting that link. I have all the links to apply, where you need to apply to and everything in that freebie as well. So it's super, super simple, you guys. And it's a great way to start making money online because like I said, we always refer stuff to people anyway. Why not get paid for it, right? It only makes sense. The best way to break it down is pretty much Amazon Associates is where you get paid for referring people off of Amazon. And Amazon Influencer Program is where you're getting paid to refer people who are already on Amazon or they're on your storefront, which is a part of Amazon. I really want you guys to take advantage of this. Like one of these programs, the Associates Program has been around since the 90s, y'all. Like, and so many people are still not taking advantage of it. Who doesn't want extra money? I don't care if it's 5 cents. I want it. Give me my 5 cents, right? If you don't do anything else today, please, please, please look into the Amazon affiliate programs. You guys, I promise it's worth it. People are going to shop on Amazon anyway. You're going to refer people products anyway. Why not start getting paid from it? All right. You're not taking money from any family or friends or whoever it may be. You're literally getting paid from companies that deserve to pay you anyway, because why are you referring for free? Don't do that, okay? I hope this helps you guys. If it did, like, comment below. Are you in the Amazon influencer program already? Are you looking to get into the program or the associate program? Either one. Either one is worth it, you guys. I do want to create a separate video for each of these just so that I can fully break it down, and I feel like they each deserve their own video. So I will be doing that within the next week. So y'all make sure you're tuned in, and I hope to see y'all in the next video. Thank you for being here. Bye.